Okay, so good evening, everyone. We will start a new topic today, new chapter, right, which is trigonometry. है ना? So before starting this chapter, I hope all of us know about right angle triangle. Yes or no? Raise your hand.
Yes, sir. Yes,
right?
sir.
Every one of us know about right angle triangle. Very good, right? Okay. Now, when you talk about this chapter, trigonometry, है ना? In Hindi, it is called as trikonamiti. Right? It is trikonamiti. In Hindi, it is called as.
सुन के लैटिन लग रहा है. हाँ सर, लैटिन लग रहा है.
No, it's Hindi. Okay. So I can say by just looking at the name, trigon, right?
Triangles.
है ना? So it is something related with, good evening, Tanushree. है ना?
Related with triangle.
Okay, yes, it is something related with triangles and specifically right angle triangles.
We know that.
Okay, so first of all, let us. Yes, keep quiet for now, guys. And I'll ask you to speak. I'll give you an opportunity to speak. Okay, so let us see how many of what we know about right angle triangle. Let us see what we already know about right angle triangle. So I can say that, okay, if I'm having a right angle triangle, I know the basic parameters. Good evening, Rupa. Good evening. Right? Now, we know that one of the angle is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
and
sir.
we know the side opposite to this right angle is called as?
Sir, hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Very good. Very good. Good evening, Kartikeya. Now tell me, out of these two, which is base, which is perpendicular? Can I say?
Sir, the angle.
Sir, can I?
I will just wait. I will just write ABC. You message. Out of this, right? We know that AC is happening, right? AC is happening.
Yes, sir. So 1 second.
Right? What is AB and what is BC? Tell me.
Sir, AB could be written as altitude.
Okay. I'm saying perpendicular
Height.
Okay.
It's perpendicular.
Yeah,
Perpendicular.
Sir,
It
BC is base.
Okay.
BC
Right.
is base.
Yeah, sir.
Sir,
Pakka?
AB height.
sir.
You guys
BC is the
forgot.
adjacent one and
Sir.
AB is the opposite one.
Okay,
Yes,
Madhur,
sir,
all of
adjacent and
you, all of you are wrong. Why all of you are wrong? Tell me. Why all of you are wrong? Bindu, Akshit,
It's the triangle.
tell me. Brinda, why all of you are wrong?
Why, sir?
Sir,
Because whenever we talked about, remember, I told you, right, that if you talk about altitude, adjacent or opposite, you should specify the angle. Yes or no? Did I specify the angle?
No, sir.
Got it?
No, sir.
Enough, right? If I say that the angle that I'm considering is this is theta, then according to this angle, CB is your, BC is
Sir,
your
opposite.
adjacent, right?
Adjacent, sir. Adjacent.
Or base, है ना? Or base, right? But and AB is your opposite or
Sir, opposite is.
Height.
perpendicular. Yes or no? But suppose if I take this angle is alpha. मान लो alpha ले लिया गया. According to this, so this is according to theta. To theta. Now, according to this angle, according to alpha,
Can you tell again what is theta?
theta is just a Greek alphabet, no? Theta is Greek alphabet, right?
Alpha, beta.
Yes, like alpha beta. So according to this angle, according to angle A, if you take angle A as a reference, tell me. So which side will be adjacent? Tell me which
Sir,
side will be
AB.
adjacent?
AB will be the
Sir,
adjacent.
AB will be
AB
adjacent and BC will be
and BC will be
opposite.
perpendicular.
Correct. So AB is adjacent or base, है ना? And BC will be your perpendicular. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we should not just blindly say that which is your opposite, which is your adjacent, or which is perpendicular, which is base. You should ask, sir, which side, right? Which angle you are considering? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Makes sense? Yes or no? Everyone, raise your hand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what? Anyone have
What
any
is
doubt
the
on this?
symbol below A, sir? Theta.
Not beta. This is
Sir is asking about the
okay.
symbol, sir. Theta.
Theta. This is called as theta. and this is alpha. This is alpha.
So tell them about beta as well.
So they are just Greek alphabets. Alpha, beta, theta, gamma, delta, Greek alphabets. Okay, now let us see what we already know about this. Do we know that, sir, theta plus alpha is equal to what?
90 degrees.
Equal to what?
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
90 degree. See, because AC is always hypotenuse, no? AC is always angle which is opposite to this, right? Guys, just wait a minute. Everyone, please wait a minute. Okay. So
sir, I'm there, sir, in class. You have texted me, Arav, you didn't join yet.
Okay, you joined. Okay, Arav. Yeah,
yes, sir.
Okay, last time I checked, you were not there. That's fine. Okay, right. So this everyone got? Tell me, Jia, Arav, Madhur, Purvi, Hannah. Because
yes,
we
sir.
know, right? Angles and property.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Right? Brinda, you got it now, because this is hypotenuse, right? By definition, it is opposite to 90 degree, right? So this longest length is always hypotenuse. Okay. There's one more information that we know, about right angle triangle. What was that information? Tell me.
Sir, A square plus B square is equal to
sir, Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. Yes or no? That was Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras. Sir,
Yes.
Pythagoras
theorem. So what was Pythagoras theorem? That
sir, A square is equal to B square plus C square, or hypotenuse is equal to the sum of
that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Yes or no?
Yes,
this
sir.
Already. Okay, right. Now, before moving to any other topic, I want to know about the angles, right? So I hope all of us know about the angles. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So
yes, sir.
When you talk about angles, we know 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, right? So these are one representation of angles, right? They are the degree representation of angles. Yes or no?
Or we can use variables also, sir.
Yes.
But
whenever you talk about this, for example, I'm talking about a circle. Now tell me, if you talk about circle, right? Okay, what is the angle?
Reflex angle.
No, tell me, what is this angle? This angle is
complete angle.
Zero.
Complete angle.
Complete angle.
360 degree.
360 degree, right? So complete circle is 360 degree. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Yes or no? So if you talk about semicircle, so this angle
180 degree.
180 degree. Very good.
Straight angle.
Sir, straight angle.
Correct. And if you talk about this
90 degree.
90 degree. Right angle.
Right
angle.
Okay. So everyone got till this point? Ye sabko pata hai?
Yes,
sir.
But-
ये तो basic.
Yes.
Sir, should we make this circle?
You can, right? है ना? While teaching, you can, right? So we will study the circle, by the way, है ना? We will study the circle. Now, when we talk about this, so this is only one representation of angles. There are another representation. There's a second representation, which is called as radian representation. Radian. Okay. Now, let me ask you.
Based on radius?
Wait. No. It is radian. R-A-D-I-A-N. Radian. Now, let me ask you, what is the total perimeter of this circle? Tell me.
So the circumference.
The circumference.
Circumference, that is 2 pi r.
2 pi r.
2
Yes,
pi
sir,
r.
2 pi r.
Correct. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Everyone know this?
Yes, sir, 2 pi r.
है ना? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, radian is defined as the angle theta. It is angle theta, which is subtended. Subtended, you know what meaning of subtended?
Oh, sir.
Yes, sir.
Subtended is a word which is used to make an angle. For example, suppose we're talking about this. Okay, think about it. Right? Suppose this is a arc. This is an arc, right? This is called your arc, है ना?
The sector.
Yes. So I'm talking about arc. So this arc makes this angle. Suppose this angle is called as theta, है ना? So this is called as subtended. Okay, right? Or makes. So this arc makes theta angle at the center. Okay, got it? Got it, everyone? Tell me, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The information. Suppose the length of
That will be the arc, sir.
Wait. Suppose the length of this arc is L. The length of this arc is L. And what is the radius? Radius is suppose R. है ना? Right? Length of this arc is L and radius is R. So these three terms, angle, radius and L are, tell me, these three are related with this formula. Theta is equal to L by R. Theta is equal to L by R. Got it? And this theta should be in radian. This is the theta in radian. That's the definition. Okay. Now, what is the definition of this radian? So this radian is the angle, right? When, tell me, if L is equal to R, if this length is equal to radius, what will be the value of theta? Tell me.
Oh, 1.
One, sir, 1.
1, right? So say angle when the length of the arc, the length of the arc is equal to its radius, is called as 1 radian. Okay, because see, if L is equal to R, then theta will be what? Theta is equal to R by R.
Sir, what is L?
L is the length of the arc, length of this circular arc. Okay, got it? Okay. Now, for example, if I talk about semicircle, right? You know, think about it. If I talk about semicircle, right? Think about it. Semicircle from this point to this point. You know, right? Now, what is the length? Tell me, what is the length of this arc?
180 degrees.
Length.
2 pi r divided by 2.
Correct. 2 pi r divided by 2, which is pi r.
Yes.
Pi r.
Yes or no? Yes or no,
Yes,
everyone. Right? So
Yes,
if I
sir.
ask you, what is the value of this theta in radian? So what is the value of theta in radian?
180 degrees. 180 degrees.
Radian. That's what I'm asking.
Okay. Yeah.
So what is the value? This theta is equal to L by R.
L by r.
L
What is the
by r.
value of
Yeah, sir.
L?
1.
Pi r, no? I told you, right? Pi r.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Pi r.
Divided by, what is the radius? R. So R will get cancelled, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then pi is the answer.
Yes,
Pi.
it is pi radian. Got it? Okay.
But then radian is a
Radian is
kilogram, it is
unit. Again, radian is unit of angle.
Sir,
Unit
1 radian equals to?
angle. 1 radian is equal to, right? Again, 1 radian is equal to, बताता हूँ क्या है? अब किसके term में 1 radian का definition होता है? It is a length, right? Length of the arc such a way that length and radius will become equal. है ना? Now, if you want to understand this, what is meter, guys? What is meter?
Sir, 100 centimeter.
What is meter?
Sir,
Sir,
100.
standard unit of length.
Length. What is
Yes, sir.
yes? And what is foot? What is foot?
What, sir?
Foot.
Ma'am, what is
30
the,
centimeter.
another
Sir, height.
method of measurement?
Right? When you talk about feet, 1 feet, 2 feet, right? That is also your unit of length. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I
Yes,
say
sir.
that both are unit of length only? Yes or no? In the same way, when you talk about angles, right? When you talk about angles, we have 2 units. One is your degree that we already know, and second unit is called as radian. So radian is also unit of angle. Okay. Got it? Everyone got this? Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Right? So now let us see. So we know that, okay, if it makes a semicircle, it is pi radian. Okay, in radian it is pi. What about angle? In terms of degree, what would be this angle? In degree, this angle is equal to how much?
Sir,
180
180 degrees.
180 degrees.
180 degrees. So in degree, semicircle makes?
A straight angle.
So 180 degree.
Make 180 degree. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir. Straight.
Yes, sir.
And when you talk about radian, so this is equal to what? Pi radian?
Yes, sir, pi radian.
Got it? Yes or no? So pi radian should be equal to 180 degree. Yes or
180
no?
degree. Yes, sir.
Raise your hand. Got it?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So
what is-
what is the pi and difference between pi radian?
pi is the value and radian is the unit. समझ में आया? जैसे what is 180? 180 is the value and degree is
Pi radian.
Got it? Got it? है ना? So what is 2 pi radian?
Sir, 2 pi radian means whole circle.
Sir, full circle.
360 degree.
Correct. Very good. It is 360. Yes or no? है ना? Got it? So if I ask you, okay, the angle is pi by 4 radian. Then what is the value in degree?
Sir, 30 degree.
180 by 4 radian, sir.
Sir,
Shravya,
45. Sir, 45.
45. Correct. 180 by
45.
Sir, 180 by 4.
Correct.
Yes, sir. 45 degrees, sir.
Wait. I'll just okay, Aditya, you just joined. You missed lots of things, right? I told you to join exactly on time. Okay. Okay. So this part you have to watch from video. Okay. So see, when you talk about this angle, I told you the angle, definition of angle in radian is given by length of the arc by radius of the circle. है ना? Length of the arc by the radius of circle. Now, if the length of the arc is equal to radius, so instead of L, I can put R, yes or no, right? है ना? So R and R will get cancelled, so which is equal to 1 radian. So 1 radian can be defined as the angle subtended by the arc having same length as the radius. Got it? Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Shravya, Vihan, Yukti, got this? Daksh? So I said that radian is a unit of angle. Radian is a unit of angle which is given by arc length. This is L is equal to arc length. L is arc length. And R is the radius. Okay, right. So I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? So if I tell you what is 2 pi by 3, what is this angle? Tell me. 2 pi by 3 radian is equal to how much?
Radian.
In
1/3
angle.
of radian.
In angle.
120 degree. 120.
Yes, sir. 360 by 3, 120 degrees, sir.
Awesome, correct. So it is 360 by 3, which is 120 degree. Yes or no? Got it?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Chalo.
Yeah, sir.
If I ask you that this angle is pi by 2, pi by 3, you understood, na? Okay, I'll
Yes,
stop
sir.
here.
Understood.
So I hope everyone understood about the angles. Raise your hand.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, awesome.
Just
Awesome.
1 radian is theta, no, sir?
Yes. No, 1 radian. Theta is just a what? Theta is just representation, right? You
Sir,
Hmm.
can-
is the radian length or is radian an angle?
Yes, radian is unit of angle, na? So for example,
Okay,
what
sir.
is
Like degree?
like degree? It is just another unit, hai na? For example, feet. Feet is also your unit of length,
Measurement.
hai na? For example, temperature. So Kelvin is 1 unit, hai na? Degree centigrade is 1 unit. In the same way,
Celsius.
yes, in the same way, right? Radians are the unit and degrees are the unit. Okay, that's why you can.
Sir, understood, sir.
Na?
Okay, so if they ask the definition of radian, we have to tell unit of circle.
Unit of angle, not circle.
Angle.
Unit of angle.
Okay, sir.
और ये जो मैंने लिखा है ना ये angle when the length of the arc is equal to its radius or as 1 radian. Simple.
Sir, clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, once we know about this angle, Shravya, for semicircle, what is the length of
Sir,
the
I have
180
a doubt.
degree.
no arc length कितना होगा? What is the length of this arc?
Sir, pi. Sir, pi r.
अक्षित मैं वही बता रहा हूँ. What is pi r, right? Pi r. So
Sir,
length is
मुझको
equal
एक
to
doubt
what?
आया है, sir.
Wait. Let me complete. Length is equal to pi r. है ना?
Yes, sir.
And what is the angle? I told you theta is equal to L by R. So pi r by R.
Sir, angle is pi.
Angle is pi. Now, अब ये semicircle में ये angle कितना बनता है? हम लोगों ने पहले देखा था ना?
Sir, 180 degree.
180 degree. So pi radian should be equal to 180 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Shik, Shravya, got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So pi radian is always 180 degree. Got it?
Yes, sir. Clear.
हाँ, ठीक है. So this is clear now. Everyone have any doubt in this? Yukti?
I, sir, have no doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, can I annotate and show?
Okay.
Sir, so if this is the radius, as it was mentioned that radius is equal to 1 radian, so that means
No,
the
radius
is
is not
4
equal.
centimeter and
Radius
this
is not
is
equal
4
to 1 radian.
centimeter.
Radius is not equal to 1 radian, right? If length of this arc, suppose if length of this arc, right, becomes equal to this radius, so this by this ratio, right, L by R become 1. Okay.
Sir,
So
I
this
did not
angle
get, sir.
is your 1 radian. Okay.
Okay, sir. So anything between this, so when I will draw a line here, it should be 4 centimeter and the area between them should be 4 centimeter,
No,
and
not
then
area,
I'll get radian.
not area. So this length, if this length, I will just tell you. I will give you one example. Don't worry. You know, once we'll solve problem, you will get to know, right? Let us see some problems. Okay. So देखो. Now, everyone, please see the example over here. Suppose there's a circle, right? There's a circle, right? Okay, the circle. Now, as I said, this is a radius. Suppose, okay, so second line, I'll just use second line as a variable line. So I'll take this. Suppose this length is 4, right? And this is also 4. And so what is this angle? What is this theta in terms of radian?
1 radian.
Sir, one radian.
One radian.
Very good. I hope all of you understood. Arav, you understood now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So then what will be the above line, sir? Like, is it compulsory that should also have 4, sir, the above line?
Which above line? This length is 4. No? This length is 4, right? If you take this length, if you take another length, it is length of the arc. No? It is length of the arc. Suppose if you take this, no? Right? Suppose you take this length, total, this length. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. And suppose this length is your, suppose 12. Suppose, right? So what is this angle?
Sir, normal theta.
What is this angle? Length is what?
2 theta.
12. Length is 12 now.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 theta.
3
theta.
3 theta.
Radian.
3
radian, yes, sir. 3 radian, yeah, sir.
Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, so
sir,
very
yes,
good, Vidya, very good, Madhur. So all of you understood this, right? Okay. Now, let's go back to our triangle. Now, in this triangle, till now, what we have done? We can relate one angle with another angle, yes or no? If we know this theta, if theta is equal to, suppose we know this theta. I'll just make this triangle again. Okay? I'll just make this triangle. Okay? Suppose I know this angle. Okay, suppose this angle is 30 degree. Can you find the second angle? This is already
60 degrees. Sir, 60 degrees.
Angle some property.
Sir, 60 degrees.
60, correct? It is easy, right? So I can say, suppose this is your angle 1, right?
Yes,
X, and this is your angle 1, Y. So we know that X plus Y is equal to 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So it is
sir.
always
Yes, sir.
complementary. Hi, Anna.
Complementary. Yes, sir. Correct. Yes, sir.
Any issue in that? Right? So out
No,
of these,
sir.
so if we
No,
know
sir, no issue.
any one, we can find the second one. And the second thing we know, suppose if we know this as 5, if you know this as 3, can you find this?
Yes, sir.
Right, this is 4.
We can
This is-
say, yes,
Sir,
sir.
we
5
can
square
say
and 4 square. First take 5 square and then we
5
have to
plus
take out 4 square and then subtract it.
Correct. 5
Yeah,
square is
sir.
equal to 4 square plus W square. So we can find W, which is equal to 25 minus 16 by 100. Which is
9 root.
Which is 3. Yes
Minus
or no?
20.
Yes or no? Now, till now, I can, sister, I can relate angle with angle, yes or no? Right?
Yes.
I can relate angle X with angle Y, yes or no? Which is X plus Y is equal to 90 degree. Or I can relate side with side, yes or no? Right? Using formula, H square is equal to P square plus B square, yes or no? Ayana.
Yes, sir.
But suppose there's a case, right? Suppose I don't know this. I only know that this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. And this one side is 4. One side is 4. Okay. I don't know the other side. Okay. I know that this side is 4 and this angle is 60 degree. So here, can I find the other two? According to whatever you have studied till now, can I do that?
Yes,
Think
sir.
about it. Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, can first, sir, 60. Sir, first, sir, here we have to write. Sir, let's make a circle first.
No, but again, if you make circle, but this is 4, right? This is 60. 2 of this side is not given. I cannot use this formula. Yes or no? Can I?
Yeah, sir. Sir, unless it's the height.
Right? Two variable is given. I am having only one equation. So obviously it is not possible. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir, it's not possible.
Right? So there must be some other thing which can relate angle with side. Yes or no?
Sir, the third angle, sir. First, we have to take out third angle.
No, third angle, so it is 30 degree. We know already. But what will happen after knowing third angle? What will happen? Nothing, right?
No, sir. Something, sir. There is some formula, sir, that you
right?
don't tell me.
Nothing will happen. Nothing
Sir,
will
no,
happen.
sir. It should happen, sir. If, sir,
should.
if,
Again,
if
that's what we are
4
learning,
centimeter,
right?
and then this is, then this is 90. We have to just draw a straight line, and then from here, when we draw straight line, there would be a certain stop. So
again, Arav, that won't give you the length, right? You have to calculate it. You don't have to measure it. Okay?
yes.
Otherwise, you could
Sir, paper में दिया होगा तो हम उसी में रफ नहीं करते.
right? Scale लेके measure थोड़ी नहीं करेंगे. We have to calculate it. So what we need to do is, I want to find the relationship between angle and side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So if we get to find that, so then it
yes.
will be very
great. Relation between angle and side, and here the concept of trigonometry starts. Okay, right here the concept of trigonometry starts. Now let us focus here. First of all, right now, I hope all of you know what is operator I and R.
No, sir.
Sir,
operator is just a tool which operates something. For example, what is plus? Plus is operator, right? It adds two things. Yes or no? Anna, minus is also an operator which
plus
two things, right? Into, divide. Yes or no? Log is also an operator, right? Anna?
Yes, sir. Sir, we learned that in the coding class.
Aditya, please mute yourself. Or anyone who's Others.
Sir,
okay.
I am mute.
Aditya is there. Aditya was there.
Sir, he is muted from that time. Others background.
Okay, please write background. So these are the operators, which do some function, right? In the same way, when you talk about this relationship, so I want to relate this 60 degree with the side, or I'll just write as theta. Suppose theta. So I'll just make one other triangle. Okay, I'll just make one other triangle. Okay. So suppose I'm having a triangle like this, and this angle is theta. This angle is theta. So this is base of perpendicular. This side AB is base of perpendicular.
The base.
Base. I told you, right? Angle is this, this is base. BC is what?
It is perpendicular. And AC is hypotenuse.
Okay. So I want to relate this angle theta with perpendicular by hypotenuse. This ratio, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Or I want to relate this theta with base by hypotenuse. Or I want to relate this theta with perpendicular by base.
Perpendicular by base.
Now, don't you think that, okay, if you want to relate them, there should be some operator, kuch to operator hoga na?
Yes, sir. So divide, multiply.
No, operator, some other kind of operator, right? Obviously, I cannot divide and multiply this, na? Because it is angle. This is angle. Yes or no? Theta is the angle. This is angle. But what is this? This is a ratio. This is ratio.
Sides. Sir, ratio of sides.
Ratio of sides. Just no. This is just a ratio. So can an angle be equal to ratio? No, right?
No, sir.
No. So there should be some operator should be there. Yes or no? Okay.
So what is F, sir?
F is just a name for operator, right? Just random. So this operator is called as this specific operator which relates perpendicular and hypotenuse with angle is called as sine. Okay. नाम है इसका sine. Sine. It is called as sine. Short form है ये. Otherwise it is called as sine. S-I-N-E. Short form is S-I-N.
Keyword निकाल के short.
So what is the sine? Sine is the operator which relates perpendicular and hypotenuse ratio perpendicular and hypotenuse with angle theta. समझ में आ रहा है ये सबको?
Yes, sir.
Right?
नहीं sir. So sine is the relation between angle and ratio.
Yes. Right. Yes. Okay. Right. Got it. Now here theta is in. It can be in degree. It can be in radian. Doesn't matter. Right? है ना? So when you talk about this perpendicular by hypotenuse, sorry, base by hypotenuse, it is called as cos, right? And it is called as cosine. Name is cosine. Short is cos. So cos.
So then why don't we call this cosine?
Wait, Shravya. That is not the case, Shravya, because ये वो definition था circle के लिए और ये perpendicular base है. Okay, Shravya. Right? It is not a circle, right, Shravya?
Sir, cos and sin are both are like operators.
Yes, both are operators. Sin किसको relate करता है? Sin perpendicular hypotenuse के ratio को relate करता है angle से. Cos किसको relate कर रहा है? Cos base और hypotenuse के ratio को relate कर रहा है angle से. समझ में आया? Specific काम है.
Yes, sir. This specifies it.
It is not theta. It is not theta. It is sin theta. Sin theta gives you a ratio which is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is a definition of this operator. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right. Now, it is perpendicular by base. इसका भी कोई नाम होगा? So this is called as tan. Right? So tan theta gives perpendicular by base. Got it?
सर ये सभी मैंने कैलकुलेटर में देखा
है ना? So
sir, in calculator it is fine.
Yes. So what is sine, cos, tan? What are sine, cos, tan? Tell me.
Sir, they are just used to specify the operator.
Right? What does it do?
They are sir operator.
What does they specify the ratios of the sides of the right angle?
It relates the ratio of sides with the angle. Yes or no? So see, you can see angle here. Angle is related with sides. Yes or no? Right? Angle is related with side. Now,
yes, sir.
You might ask, okay, sir, if sine theta is equal to p by h, what is h by p? What is h by p? Don't you think? What is h by p?
Sir, it's
nothing.
So 1 by 2.
Sir, nice, sir. Sir,
एक cosec theta.
Yes, sir. Cos theta.
1 by sin theta ना? उल्टा हो गया इसका भाई, reciprocal.
हाँ sir.
Yes or no? So this is called as cosec theta. Cosec.
Sir, cosecant theta.
Right? Cosec. 1 by sin is called as cosec. In the same way, what is h by b? h by b क्या होगा? उल्टा इसका?
Sec.
Sir, cot theta.
Cos theta. 1 by cos theta, right? This is called as sec theta.
Secant theta.
Right? And what is b by p?
Sir, cotangent. Cotangent. Sir, cotangent theta.
Right, this is called as cot theta. So how many total ratios are there? Tell me, total how many ratios are there?
6.
Sir,
6. Right? Total how many ratios? 6 ratios. We have to remember these 6 ratios. Sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to
the pH.
Perpendicular by hypotenuse. It is perpendicular by
hypotenuse, sir.
Right? What is cos theta?
Sir, base by
hypotenuse.
Correct.
Hypotenuse.
Yes. What is tan theta?
Sir, perpendicular
by base.
Perpendicular by base.
Got it? Right? In the
Yes,
same
sir.
way, what is ulta of sin theta?
Cosecant theta.
Cosec theta. Right? What is ulta of cos theta?
Secant theta.
Cosec theta.
Secant theta.
Secant theta. What is ulta of tan theta?
Cotangent.
Sir, cot.
Okay, everyone got this till this point? Raise your hand.
Yes, sir. It's very easy.
Yes? Okay. Now we know, sir.
Yes, sir.
We understood these things, but how can I find the value of these? Yes or no? इसका value कैसे मिलेगा? हाँ या ना? That should be the next question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have some values already. Some scientists have already, some mathematicians have already calculated some values. We will just use that values. ठीक है? Okay, right? They actually calculate using scale. Okay, right? So think about it. When you talk about the angle, so do you think that if we know, right, sine, cos, tan, I can get cosec, sec, cot also? Because
Yes, sir. It will be the replica of.
Yes, right? So I will just write this: sine, cos, tan. Okay, I'll write other also: cosec, cot, sorry, cos, cosec, sorry, cot, cot, or sec. Now, I'm not writing the angle because angle I'm right over here. Okay, right? Suppose this is theta. Okay, theta. Now suppose theta is equal to, and here I'm writing the value of theta. Suppose theta is equal to 0 degree. पहले 0 degree हो जाए. I will just remember few angles, right? So it is theta is equal to 0 degree, then 30 degree, then 45 degree, then 60 degree, then 90 degree. ठीक है? अब देखो एक शॉर्टकट मैं बता रहा हूँ, शॉर्टकट याद करने का, ठीक है? Right? Shortcut. Now, just remember for these three. Just remember for actually one. Remember for only sine. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. ये होगा याद?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divide by 4. 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 ये याद रहेगा?
Yes, sir.
सर मैं समझा नहीं सर, ये क्यों कर रहे हैं सर ऐसा?
ये वैल्यू होता है, हमें याद रखना है.
सर ये याद रखने के लिए मतलब छोटा सा ये
मैं याद रखने तरीका बता रहा हूँ. So what is 0 by 4 का root? 0 by anything is equal to what? 0. So sine 0 degree is equal to 0. समझ में आया? It is sine.
Yes, sir.
0 degree is equal to 0. Got it? What is root 1 by 4?
Yes, sir.
Root 1 by 4 का value क्या होता है?
So 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So sine 30 degree is equal to what?
1 by 2.
What is root 2 by 4? 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Yes, sir.
So sine 45 degree is equal to what?
Root 3 by yes, sir.
1 by root 2.
Yes,
what
sir.
is root 3 by 4?
Root 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
What is sine
Sir 1.
60 degree? Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. And 4 by 4 is equal to
1.
What is sine 90 degree?
1.
Got it? Yes or no? ये याद
Yes,
रखने
sir.
का शॉर्टकट तरीका. याद
हाँ
रखने
सर,
का
आसान है.
Okay. Now what about cos? अब cos में क्या है ना, जो ये values
सर उल्टा है सर. सर इसका उल्टा है.
Wait, हाँ उल्टा लिख दो. Right?
So 0 will be 0, sir, and 2 by 1 and
उल्टा मतलब ये ऐसे लिखे ना, इसको उल्टा लिखो. Sin 90 अब ये 0 हो जाएगा. Right? जो 60
हाँ
का
सर 90
30 का वैल्यू है वहां लिख दो. 1 by 2. उल्टा जैसे ही यहाँ लिखो बस यहाँ लिखो. ये 1 by root 2. और ये यहाँ क्या हो गया? This is root 3 by 2. Okay, this is cos.
Sir, 1.
Cos के लिए
1.
मैं रब कर दे रहा हूँ. This is for cos. Cos. और यहाँ पे 1 हो गया. सुनाया? Means cos 0 degree कितना हो गया? What is cos 0 degree?
1.
1. Cos 45 degree?
1 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2.
45.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. बिंदु cos 30 degree की वैल्यू क्या होगा बिंदु?
Sir, root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Very good. युक्ति cos 60 degree की वैल्यू कितना होगा? युक्ति cos 60 degree. विहान cos 60 degree.
sir, can I?
Vihan. Very good, Madhur. Everyone else can just message in the chat box. Vihan, can you say? Vihan, आवाज आ रही है? Vihan, are you there? Vihan is not there, I guess.
सर शायद पिज्जा खा रहा होगा.
Okay.
सर बाकी सब टाइम तो इतना बोलता है सर.
Right? This is 1/2, no? This is 1/2. I've told you, right? This is 1/2. Very good, Rupa. Very good. Yukti, it is 1/2, na? 60 degree hai. 60 degree, well, 1/2. Now, what about tan theta? Tan theta. So, tan theta में क्या करो ना?
90 sir.
हाँ. Tan theta में इन दोनों divide कर दो. इन दोनों divide कर दो. है ना? कैसे? अब देखो. खुद सोचो एक बार. यहाँ पे देखो. What is sin theta? Sin theta is what? P by H. Yes or no? And cos theta is equal to what? B by H. Now, tell me, all of you, tell me what is sin theta divided by cos theta?
Tan theta.
So, P by H divided by B by H. H कट जाएगा, yes or no?
हाँ सर.
Yes sir. P by B. P by B.
P by B. What is P by
Tan
B?
theta. Sir tan theta.
Tan theta. So sin theta by cos theta is always tan theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो बताओ यहाँ पे अगर मुझे tan 0 डिग्री वैल्यू चाहिए तो क्या हो गया? 0/1 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. Now tan 30 डिग्री वैल्यू चाहिए 1/2 divided by √3/2 क्या हो जाएगा?
So 1/3.
√3 ना 1/√3 right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Now 1/√2 by 1/√2.
Sir, 1 sir.
1, sir, 1.
√3/2 by 1/2 क्या हो जाएगा?
Sir, √3/4.
√3.
2 कट जाएगा ना 1/2 1/2 है.
Sorry.
Right? So what is 1/0?
Not defined. Not defined.
Not
Not
defined.
defined.
Defined. Got it? Ayana. Yes
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand.
No sir.
No, sir.
No, clear?
So
Yeah.
then, if they ask the tan theta of 90 degrees, so then,
Undefined. We don't know. ठीक है?
so then what we have to write, sir?
Undefined. वही तो बोला undefined. ठीक है? Now let us see. Everyone. Now let us see
Sir, I
example.
did not understand tan theta.
See, tan theta is the ratio of sin theta and cos theta. ठीक है? See, sin theta was P by H. Cos theta is B by H. So if you divide sin theta by cos theta, H will get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we are left with P by B. What was P by B? Tan theta, है ना? So in order to get the value of tan theta, just divide the value of sin theta by value of cos theta. What is 0/1?
1.
0.
0.
1/2 divided by √3/2. So it is 1/2 into 2/√3. 2 will get cancelled. So it is 1/√3.
Yes, sir.
Shravya, undefined and infinity are same, right? Undeterminate and undefined is different. Got it, Shravya? Right?
So then what is the meaning of undetermined?
For example, 0/0. 0/0 is undetermined, right? Undeterminate, right? These are undeterminate, right? But this is undefined. Okay? There's difference. Okay?
Sir 1/0.
1/0 is undefined, which is infinity. Okay? This is undefined or undefined. Okay. Now let us see some examples. So all of you write the table. Write this table, everyone. We will use this table. So write this table.
Wrote, sir.
Sir wrote.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, done.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, very good, right? So let us see some examples. So if I'll just make a triangle. If any triangle, I'll make a triangle. ठीक है? Okay. Suppose this is a triangle. This angle is 45 degree. ठीक है? And this is like 2 units. Find. Okay. Find what? Find cos theta or cos 30 degree. Then find base. Base is what is perpendicular? and what is hypotenuse. ये तीनों का लेंथ बताना है. तो बेस इज ऑलरेडी, बेस का वैल्यू क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द
2 units.
2 units. 2 units.
2 units.
अब गलत हो. क्या बोला मैंने? ये अगर ये एंगल लिया है तो बेस ये हो जाएगा.
हाँ सर, उसके एडजेसेंट वाला एंगल बेस होगा.
So perpendicular is given. This is perpendicular to unit. Yes or no?
Yes sir, yes sir.
ऐसा गलती नहीं करोगे ना, मैंने स्टार्टिंग इससे किया था.
Yes sir.
Okay, perpendicular is given as 2 unit and angle is given. Angle is 45 degree is given. Okay, so cos 39. Angle 45 is given. So can we find base? Can we find base? So if we want to find base, perpendicular is given. P is equal to 2. Right? Theta is equal to given. Theta is 45 degree. And you have to find base. So tell me which operator relates perpendicular, base and theta? See यहाँ पे ऊपर देखो. Which operator relates perpendicular, base and theta? Tan. Very good.
Tan theta.
Tan, sir, tan.
Sir, it has. Yes sir.
So tan theta, tan 45 degree is equal to what? Perpendicular
One.
like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, 1.
Now, what's the value of tan 45 degree, guys?
1.
Sir, 1.
Sir,
One.
tan
Sir,
45
one.
degree is 1, sir. Yes, sir, 1.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
It is 1. So can I say that perpendicular should be equal to base? Cross multiply करके.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
Sir, it will be also 2
क्या है?
unit.
What's the length of perpendicular?
Sir, 2.
2.
2 units.
Is also equal to 2. Yes or no?
Yeah sir.
Yes, sir.
Now.
Hypotenuse now 4, sir.
Now,
Sir, you know that sir, P is equal to B.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया ना मैंने, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया ना. P by B is equal to 1. So क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके क्या आ जाएगा?
P is equal to B.
Got it?
P equals to B, sir. Yes, sir.
Now tell me which operator can relate perpendicular with hypotenuse? Tell me which operator can relate perpendicular with hypotenuse?
Sir, sin.
Sir, sin
Sin.
theta.
Sin.
Sin
Sir,
sin
sin.
theta.
Sir, sin theta.
Correct, है ना? Sin theta. Very good, Purvi. Sin. Sin क्या होगा? Sin 45 degree is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
What is the value of sin 45 degree?
1 by
Sir, 1 by
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Sir, 1 by root 2.
Root 2. Correct. And hypotenuse is equal to what? Perpendicular into root 2.
Yes sir.
Multiply.
Yes
What is the
sir.
value of perpendicular? What is the value of perpendicular?
2. 2.
So it is 2 root 2. Yes or no? Got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So all of you know how to use this? Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
can we solve some basic problems?
Yes,
Yes, sir. This
Yes,
time,
sir.
sir, you give
Yes,
us, sir.
Okay. So we are done with this, right? Now, I hope all of you understood why we require this trigonometry. है ना? See, think about it. Suppose you want to measure the length of Qutub Minar or Everest. Do you think that someone will go? 2 is given, Madhur. 2 is given. 2 का value given है ना? Probably was given. Now, do you think that you will actually climb up to Mount Everest and measure the height? Tell me.
No sir. No sir.
No, sir.
No,
sir.
right? है ना? So we will use trigonometry because if we know this angle, tell me, if you know this angle and if you know this length, can you get the height?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, yes. So we use trigonometry for our real life to calculate the height, length, distance, है ना? And trigonometry is actually very useful tool. We use trigonometry almost everywhere in higher grades. Okay. So let us see this. We know these things. We understood what
Sir,
is
now trigonometry is this only, na, sir? Cos, sin, tan.
ratio. These are the ratios, right? These are called as ratios, trigonometric ratios. है ना? So sine is opposite by hypotenuse, which is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent by hypotenuse, which is base by hypotenuse.
Can you send this chapter?
yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So let us see. I hope all of you understood this, right? We studied these things. ये हमको पता है, ये हमें पता है. So example 1, tell me. This is example 1. Tan is equal to 4 by 3. Find the other trigonometric ratios, everyone. Okay, Shay. So this is the question. Tan is given. Tan is given, right? And now tan theta is given. A is the angle, right? Is 4 by 3. So what is the value of, you find the value of cos and sine, that's it. What is value of cos A and sine A? Everyone, calculate step by step. Step by step.
So can you repeat?
So value of tan A is given 4/3. What is the value of cos A and sine A? Step by step. No, Niketan, no. What is this? Tell me, tan A is equal to 4/3. So what is 4? 4 should be equal to what?
Sir, 20 by
No,
50.
perpendicular. It is perpendicular by base, na guys.
Perpendicular by base, sir. Yes, sir. Base.
But it is the ratio. It is the ratio. So perpendicular can be 4 any constant k. Yes or
Sir,
no?
sine equals to 4 cos 3.
No, guys.
So with this, we can find the hypotenuse and then find the value.
Correct, Rupa. Rupa is correct, right? Rupa is correct. So perpendicular is 4k and what is base? Base is 3k.
Yes, sir.
So what is the hypotenuse? What is hypotenuse?
So 16 plus 9, which is 25, 5.
Sir, 5.
Yes.
5.
So with this, we can find anyone.
Right? 4k square plus 3k square, which is equal to 25k square. So hypotenuse is equal to what? 5k. So what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta is equal to what? Sine is equal to what?
Sir, 4/5.
Perpendicular by hypotenuse.
By
So
5,
it is
yes, sir.
4/5. Na? 4k by 5k. So kk will get cancelled.
4/5.
What is the value of cos A?
Sir, adjacent by hypotenuse.
Shravya, k, देखो, Shravya, k is just a normal proportional example. 4/3. Is it necessary the perpendicular should be 4? Because it's a ratio, na? It's a ratio, right? For example, if it is 16/12, then also it is correct. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Got it? So k is a variable because 16/12 is also equal to 4/3, na? Like nahi, right? Because we are trying to find the ratio. Okay. Got it, everyone? Why I took k? Yes, exactly. Chalo. So see, I hope all of you understood this. So all of you understood this. Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
See the solution.
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आया? So we discussed two type of problems. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, let us see one more problem. Okay. Yeah, this is easy. This is super easy. Right? This is super easy. This is super easy. Try to solve this one. This one, everyone. Let us see how many of you can solve it. This value of BC is 21. I will give you 2 minutes. Everyone, I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, Akash. Okay, Rupa. Very good. One is correct answer. Very good. One is correct answer. Awesome. Awesome, Purvi. Akash, Rupa, Purvi. First one, C. First one, very good, Anya. Correct, Anya. Very good.
Sir, आपने मेरा आंसर नहीं देखा.
Anya, correct. Wait. First of all, सही है. Wait, I'm checking multiple answers. Niketan, गलत है तुम्हारा first वाला.
हाँ सर, मैंने वो actually by mistakenly 4 दबा दिया.
Okay. Now, first is correct. Now, I hope all of you remember. See, everyone, right? Okay. Arav, Shreya, Daksh, Rajat, Daksh. समझे? देखो, everyone, see this. Okay, see this step by step. What is the value of cos theta? Step by step. First one. First of all, सही है, Kishore. That is correct. है ना? So what is the value of cos theta? Tell me, what is the value of cos theta? It is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Galat. Base by hypotenuse.
Sir, adjacent by hypotenuse.
Sir, adjacent by hypotenuse.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, here base is only given.
What is sin theta?
Sir, perpendicular
Sir,
by
perpendicular.
P by H.
Sir,
Correct. P by H.
Sir, opposite by hypotenuse. Yes,
Yes. What is the
perpendicular.
value of cos square theta? Cos
Yes,
square
sir.
theta is
Sine is P by H.
b square by h square.
B
Yes
square
or no?
by h square. Yes, sir.
And what is sin square theta?
P square by h square.
By
P square by H square.
Correct. So first question was cos square theta plus sin square theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
sir.
b square by h square plus p square by h square. So can we take the LCM? LCM is same.
Yes, sir. Same.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
same है.
Yes, sir. Same as well.
H square.
Yes,
The
sir.
b
Here
square
we
plus
have-
p
B
square by
square
h
Sir,
plus
b square plus p square.
What is the value of b square plus
Divided
p square?
Sir, 841.
841.
H square. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right?
So
So
which
which
is
is
equal to 1.
nothing but 1.
One. So don't you
One.
think sir, it
Yes,
is an
sir.
identity?
Easy, sir.
It is an identity. This is an
Yes,
identity.
sir.
or
It
no?
is an identity.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
can you
अभी
repeat
minus
how
करना
b
है.
square plus p square is equal to h square?
What is the Pythagoras theorem?
Sir, now
Yes,
b
sir.
square
Yes,
minus
sir.
p square करना second question में.
What is the theorem?
So b square plus p square is equal to h square.
Sir, cos square plus sin square always equals
It's
to 1.
Pythagoras theorem, no? P square plus b square is equal to h square, right? That's Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
Identity is cos square theta plus sin square theta is
Is
equal to
equal to
1.
1.
So this is true for any angle, right? Identity मतलब क्या है? कोई भी angle तो सही होगा. Yes or no?
Yes,
True
sir.
for
Yes,
any
sir.
angle. But ये दोनों angle same होना चाहिए ना? Yes or no? Can I say that sin square 30 degree plus cos square 60 degree is equal to 1? Can I do that?
No, sir.
No, sir, no.
Tell me.
Sir, उनके value different है, sir.
No, sir. We cannot do it.
No, because angle is different. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is different. Angle same होना चाहिए. Yes or no? ठीक है. So it should be either sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Then it is equal to 1. ठीक है. Got it? Right? चलो. So first part समझ में आ गया सबको. Now second part
हाँ,
easy
sir.
है. Second part में बस minus कर देना है. Right? Yes or
Sir,
no?
same sir, b
Sir,
square
41
minus
by 8.
p
Yes,
square.
correct. Right.
41
Very good.
by 8.
So now these questions can you solve easily?
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
sir.
So can you repeat how to find base and perpendicular?
Arey, you can use trigonometric ratio, na? Right? This 2 is already given. So Pythagoras theorem you can use, na? Already this hypotenuse is given 29 and 21 is base. So Pythagoras theorem से AC निकल जाएगा. It's already given, right? Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ या ना?
So 21 is base and 29 is perpendicular.
29 is hypotenuse, na? See,
Yes,
90 degree का opposite जो होता है, angle opposite to 90 degrees is always what? Hypotenuse, right? Angle opposite to angle is your perpendicular, and angle adjacent to, sorry, the side adjacent to angle is your base. Got it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ये हो गया. Next question. Next question ये होमवर्क कर लेंगे. ठीक है. एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. चलो. अब यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं हम. अच्छा क्वेश्चन देखें. अच्छा क्वेश्चन. Let us see अच्छा क्वेश्चन. Let's see question 7. Everyone. Question 7. Step by step. So cot theta is given, right? Can you find all the other value?
So should we find the other values of the thing
No,
there?
find the other values. Find the other values.
Okay, sir.
Sir, second one तो हो गया easy है.
हाँ, second one तो बच्चे वाला है.
हाँ, sir.
Square plus
Yes.
हाँ, करो ना.
a square plus b square.
Right? So smart लोग थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाएंगे. हाँ या ना? A plus B into A minus B. A minus. Smart लोग दिमाग लगाएंगे. Right? So if cot का value given है, cot theta is equal to 7/8. This is equal to what? B by P. हाँ है ना? So what is H?
So 8 square plus 7 square.
So what is 8 square? 64. What is 7 square? 49. H square. So what is 74 plus 49?
113.
113. Yes or no?
H equals to 113.
But H square चाहिए ना, H square ही चाहिए हमको, हम H square रखेंगे. Yes or no? Because if you see what is 1 minus, what is sin square theta? Sin square theta is P square by H square. Yes or no? And cos square theta is 1 minus B square by H square. Yes or no? यहाँ तो सब
Sir,
So we already have B
first
and
वाला
E, sir.
64 by
We just
113.
need 100.
Okay. Right. Everyone got till this point? Yes or no? यहाँ तो सब समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
first वाला 64 by 113 हो
Can
जाएगा.
I say it is H square minus P square by H square minus B square? LCM लेकर ना 1 minus P square by H square था, तो LCM लेकर H square cancel हो गया ना? 1 minus A by B is equal to what? B minus A by B. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
1 minus P square by H square is 1 minus P square by H square is equal to what? It is H square minus P square by H square. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
So can you explain how, sir?
अरे fraction वाला LCM भूल है क्या? H square 1 का LCM H square. Right? Then 1 into H square is H square. Basic factors. HCF LCM. Sum
Yes,
of
sir.
fractions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. So in same way it is H square minus B square by H square. Right? नीचे वाला. H square will get cancelled. Tell me. हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना? Everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is H square? H square value क्या है? 113 minus P square कितना है? 64 by 113 minus B square कितना है? 49. वो तो कितना आ जाएगा? 113 minus 64 is 49. But this is 64. That is the answer. Yes or no?
7 by 8, sir.
अरे 49 by 64 ना?
हाँ sir, square नहीं है sir.
ठीक है, तो आंसर is 49 by 64. Yes or no? समझ में आ सबको?
Yes.
Okay, so shall we play one Kahoot now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
इसका बहुत इंटरेस्ट होता है sir.
So इसका काउंट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, sir.
हाँ sir.
देखते हैं Kahoot.
सर मैं गारंटी फेल होऊंगा
Sir,
सर.
can you show the answer, sir?
60 first का आंसर है 49 by 64. Okay. Join soon. 290.
Second का भी 49 by 64 ही.
Second का भी same ही है. Okay, Sinchana, wait. Sinchana, वो तो चला गया. Sinchana recording में पर देखना Sinchana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
जल्दी join करो, guys. जल्दी join करो.
Video, mom.
False ना guys.
कैसे sir?
अरे काहूट ऐसे क्यों दिखा रहा सर?
Guys, see अभी मैंने क्या बोला था? Tell me.
हाँ sir.
16K by 12K याद आया कुछ?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
4 by 3 याद आया कुछ? Yes or no? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Right? So
Sir, can you once explain the question, sir?
see, ratio पूछा गया है कि ratio of angle values of the length of sides of the triangle. अब the length of side 16 by 12 हो गया. क्या ratio change हो गया क्या?
नहीं
Got
सर.
it? और ये 36 by 24 हो गया. तो क्या ratio change हो गया क्या?
नहीं
No,
sir.
sir.
नहीं,
Still
sir.
it's 3 by 2.
तो
So divide.
angle,
Sir, it will
the
end
same
up-
angle ratio is fixed ना. अभी तो बताया था मैंने. तभी तो
Yes,
ratio
sir. Equivalent fraction की तरह.
tan 45 is equal to 1. चाहे कुछ भी हो, वो 1 ही होगा ना.
Yes, sir. Sir, only
So,
7
लोग
members
गलत
gave the correct answer.
18 लोग गलत थे. कैसे?
सर आ रहा है वो लगता है जॉर्ज नॉट फाउंड की तरह नाम लिख रहा है.
Okay, this one, tell me. Super easy, super easy. Second is sec.
So second means sec, no sir?
Second is sec.
Yes.
Sec. Okay?
Yes sir, हो गया sir. Easy. सर ऐसे क्यों दिया?
Okay, very good.
काहूट अपडेट किया है क्या सर?
Sec. Okay. पता नहीं यार. Sec is equal to what? Hypotenuse by base. Yes or no?
सर मैंने भी सर सी दबाया सर, तब भी सर मेरा रॉन्ग दिखा रहा है सर.
पता नहीं कैसे फिर.
सर हाइपोटेन्यूज बाय एडजेसेंट.
सर ये फॉर्मूला याद रखना
एडजेसेंट सेम है ना. तो hypotenuse क्या हो गया? 5 और एडजेसेंट क्या था? चलिए मैं यहाँ पे एंगल सी बोल दिया ना है. एंगल सी बोल दिया है. तो एंगल सी के एडजेसेंट क्या है? 4.
सर 4.
Got it?
4, 5/4.
It should be mentioned. Yes, correct. चलो next. Okay रजत, कोई नहीं, फिर से ज्वाइन कर लो.
सर हो गया
सर.
सर.
सर इतना इजी है सर.
ये तो बहुत इजी है. सुपर इसमें गलत नहीं होना चाहिए.
सर सोचो सर इसमें गलत हो गया सर.
इसमें जो गलत किया वो तो ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहा क्लास है कि नहीं. नहीं होना चाहिए किसी को. सीरियसली इतने लोग ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं सब कोई?
हाँ सर.
सर ओनली
सर 15 लोगों ने गलत आंसर किया है सर.
1 by cos
इतना इजी है सर.
sec ना.
सर सेकंड.
ये tan कैसे हो गया? मतलब कितने लोग ध्यान नहीं दे रहे बिल्कुल भी. गलत बात है. Now tell me this one. Tell me this one. So angle B is 90 degree given, right? Sin A. Sin A is equal to what? Definition. This is definition, by the way. This is definition. Super easy.
सर माई लोडेड लेट सर. आपने सर ऐसे ही सर.
This is the definition.
सर मैं अभी तक ऑप्शंस पढ़ रहा था सर, आपने कर दिया.
हाँ सर.
Definition है definition.
लेकिन आंसर तो पढ़ा था. सर बहुत इजी है सर. बस
अब भी देखो कितने लोग गलत किए. हे भगवान.
कौन था
सर पढ़ने को तो टाइम ही नहीं मिला
सर.
सर.
Sin
सर
A.
ऊपर से सर
सर,
इतना
मैंने
छोटा
गलत-
छोटा लिखा हुआ है सर. थोड़ा बड़ा बड़ा देना चाहिए ना
देख,
सर.
sin A. Sin A कितना होगा? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? BC.
सर
By
बीसी.
hypotenuse is AC.
BC by AC.
सर मैंने बी को सी पढ़ के एक दबा दिया सर. अभी गया मैं.
सर.
चलो ये
सर नेक्स्ट टाइम से सर
अच्छे से
क्वेश्चंस
देख लो.
में सर इतना छोटा छोटा मत लिखो.
अभी अभी देखो ना. अभी तो
दिखता ही
बड़ा
नहीं
बड़ा
है.
है ना. अभी तो बड़ा बड़ा है. देखो cotangent is cot. Okay Priya, no issues. Chat box में
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन में तो चीटिंग हो गया सर.
हो गया. देख लिया सब कोई.
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेस काहूट.
सर मुझे कुछ और ही दबाना था, कुछ और ही दबा दी.
ऐसे कैसे?
सर इतना इजी सवाल था सर. सही में.
कितने लोग गलत होते हैं? ओके. स्टिल 12 स्टूडेंट्स का 12
प्लीज
स्टूडेंट्स
सर.
सर कैसे?
पता नहीं कैसे. cot of C. cot of C. cot क्या होता है? Base by hypotenuse 4/3.
Root of tan.
4/3.
सर बेस ओह परपेंडिकुलर बेस में कंफ्यूज हो गया
सर मैं कॉटेंगेट मतलब नहीं समझा।
सर मेरा 0 आउट ऑफ 10 में डिस्कनेक्ट ही हो गया था।
इस पे तुम लोग क्या करना, मैं अभी आधे घंटे टाइम में मीटिंग अभी है, सो